Hi everybody. Now I would like to teach you about ability part 2 in this today's session. Ability part 2. Generally we use the model auxiliary verb can in order to talk about abilities. Here can is equal to able to. Here the model auxiliary verb can indicates ability such as general ability and able to indicates present ability. Here able to is the continuous form for the model auxiliary verb can. Here can indicates general ability and able to indicates present ability. Okay, here we use able to in the form of continuous tense instead of the general ability can. We use able to with the be forms such as present be forms am, is, are. Let us discuss regarding present be forms with able to. According to the structure, let us take some examples in order to make you understand clear. Subject plus am or is or plus able to or not able to plus verb 1 present tense the first form of the verb plus object plus phrase. This is the structure that we have to follow while talking about continuous abilities such as present abilities instead of the general ability which indicates the model auxiliary verb can. Now let us take some examples which are related to able to. I am able to operate computer. Here R is silent. I am able to operate computer. This is positive capacity in the present sense with continuous form as we have used able to in the given structure. I am able to operate computer. This statement indicates positive capacity. I am unable to operate computer. This statement indicates negative capacity or capability. Here if you can observe not able to, we don't have to use not able to. Instead of not able to we can use unable to as far as the modern English is concerned. As far as the present English is concerned, instead of not able to we can use unable to. This is the point that we have to remember. Now let us take some examples which are related to able to with the present be forms such as am, is, are. Okay, by taking some positive and negative statements, okay, which indicate positive capacity and negative capacity. I am able to speak in English. This is positive ability. I am unable to speak in English. This is negative ability. I am able to do this work. I am unable to do this work. I am able to get up early in the morning. I am unable to get up early in the morning. I am able to operate computer. I am unable to operate computer. I am able to play cricket. I am unable to play cricket. I am able to write neatly. I am unable to write neatly. In such a way, positive and negative capabilities or capacities such as abilities can be told. Okay? In my next session, I shall meet you with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.